Hello everyone. Today I'm discussing a very serious issue that has recently come to light involving an influencer, Teeth Prasanna. So there were leaked private chats which raised significant concerns about consent and the responsibility as public figures. Now there were private conversation which involved this influencer, and these were leaked online. And these chats basically suggest instances where boundaries may have been crossed, highlighting issues of consent and personal privacy. Now, consent is a fundamental concept in both legal and interpersonal contexts. Now, under Indian law, consent must be unequivocal and voluntary. So, as per Section 63 of BNS, consent is defined as an unequivocal voluntary agreement when the woman communicates willingness to participate in a specific sexual act through words, gestures, or any form of verbal or even non-verbal communication. And notably, the absence of physical resistance does not imply consent. Now, free from coercion or misconception. Section 28 of BNS talks about this. So it states that consent is not valid if it is obtained under fear of injury, miscommunication of misconception of fact, or if a person is incapable of understanding the nature and consequence of the act due to the unsoundness of mind or even intoxication. Consent must also be given by someone who is fully aware and capable of making that decision. So it is crucial to recognize that consent can be withdrawn at any time, and prior consent does not imply future consent. Now, influencers have significant power and they have certain responsibility to set positive example. Engaging in behavior that disregards consent not only harms individual but also perpetuates a culture of disrespect and entitlement. So public figures must be mindful of their actions and understanding that their behavior can influence societal norms and expectations. So in today's digital world, respecting consent extends beyond physical interaction, like sharing private messages, images, or even engaging in unsolicited communication without clear consent is a violation of personal boundaries and privacy. So it is essential to foster a culture where digital consent is treated with the same seriousness as physical consent. So this incident serves as a stark reminder of importance of consent and the responsibilities that come with influence. So let's use this moment to educate ourselves and others about the significance of consent in all aspects of life. So if you found this video, please follow for more.